In this how-to video, we'll show you how to access the results from an experiment. From the home page, click on Experiments. Scroll through the existing experiments or type your experiment's name in the search bar to narrow your search. Select the one you'd like to view. Within this window, you can see that the Analysis tab is blue and is underlined, highlighting that it is open. If you need to change some analysis parameters or analyze another wavelength in your assay, you can click Add Analysis. There's also a list of analyses that have been run on this experiment. An analysis card is displayed containing the name of the analysis protocol and other relevant information. You can also review the analysis inputs, time points list, measurements, and description. Within the Measurements section, you can select specific measurements that you wish to export to an Excel file. The measurements can be exported in a plate format or table format. If you'd like to review your acquisition settings, click on the Acquisitions tab. To review the results of your acquisition, a good place to start is the thumbnail view. To review the results of your analysis, select Data View. Select the desired measurement data to be displayed. Configure a heat map that corresponds with this measurement. To better visualize your heat map, click on the heat map icon and select the target measurement. To inspect wells of interest, select wells from either end of the measurement range, as noticed by the heat map colors, and then click on the Images icon. If you want to look at all of the images, go straight to Images without selecting any wells. The film strip will appear at the bottom of the screen, and the first image will appear in the middle of the screen. You can click and drag different images to the middle of the screen and even compare the two different images side by side by clicking on the Show One Image button. You can zoom in on individual images for further detail and toggle on or off wavelengths and analysis overlay masks. You can export JPEG images by clicking on the Export button that is on the image, or you can export the raw image by clicking on the Export Wells Images. If you ran a protocol with a time series, you can also export movies by clicking on the Download MP4 movie icon. At any time during this process, you can switch between analyses. If you ran multiple analyses on this experiment, do so by clicking on the down arrow at the top of the window. A drop-down menu will appear with a list of the analyses that you can choose from. This is how you would review a completed experiment, but you can also access images while the plate is being run. Either method can be easily done from your lab, an office, home, or wherever you have access to your online network.